Alright, boys and girls, we're going to try the Parrot Mambo out here with these winds and see how that baby performs. We'll see. Okay, we'll see. I'm not promising anything. I'm not touching it. That's the optical flow sensor. I told you before about these optical flow sensors on these Parrot devices. They don't like brown. They have an issue with that. And so does the DJI ones, because they use the same one. They use the same optical flow sensor. Yeah, the wind's from my back. It just wants to keep going that way. Flies good though. Not bad. It's really fighting the winds coming back, because the wind is at my back. You're not supposed to fly with the wind at your back, but the sun's out, and it's, if I stand on the other side, it's going to be in the video, so we don't want that. So it's flying like a champ. Oh, I got a big gust coming up now. Slow down there, Nelly. Okay. Well, that big gust of wind just blew it right into the fence. Really nothing I can do about that. It just came, actually it changed direction. It was at my back, and it just changed direction on a dime and started blowing right into my face and blew it right into the fence. But hey, you know, that's the way it goes. Can't win them all. I'll put the flight time in there. Up. I think the flips are done. So the battery must be getting weak. You see how it's jostling all around like that? It usually never does that. If there's no wind, it's pretty stable. It doesn't hop around like that at all. But it's real windy, so it's dancing all over the place. But I mean, you're not going to lose it. It'll sit there and dance around a lot, but you know, the wind will blow it around, but it's not like it's going to fly away on you or anything. So you don't have to worry about that. I have a couple more quadcopters in the bag that I was gonna fly, but that's not gonna happen. That little faux baby Spark, that thing, I don't think that's, oh, there goes the flip. There's still some battery in there. Oh, there's the warning. There's the low battery warning. I'm feeling it on the controller. Hopefully it'll get back and won't land in that big mud pile right there. Okay, I'll put the flight time in there. Seemed like it was pretty good. You know, usually I get 5 minutes with this, so if I did 5 minutes, then it's good. This thing is good for 5 minutes. So the Parrot Mambo. Don't miss out on this. I love the hell out of this thing, man. That's one of my favorites, no doubt. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.